Hello everybody, today we're going to be diving deep into the trailer. So if you haven't seen my reaction, I'll link it down below, so go check that out. But this is just going to be a deep dive of the trailer and just things I've noticed. So without further ado, let's get on to it. Okay, so I have the trailer pulled up, and then I have their Instagram pulled up too. So let's start with Instagram since I'm already here. So this is the close-up of the dress. So if you can see the rainbow frills. Then down here it's Lucy Gray's dress, and then she has the boots on. So that's on the dress. I did not think it would look like this. I do like how it looks. I thought it would be more flowy, but I guess this does make sense because they are the lowest district. This is a really good dress. I do like the dress. Not what I pictured in the book, but still I do like the dress. This is Tigress, what she looks like in Mockingjay Part 2. Just some of the costumes here. This is the uniform. So yeah, there's some uniform. What else is there? So all that stuff, it's just focused on the new. Okay, so this is taken from the trailer. Lucy Gray in the bow. That's been blowing up. It's the Katniss bow. I did not recognize it at first, but I haven't seen the movies in a little bit, so it's that. And then the Flickerman family. And then I'm assuming this is when he goes in the dark. Lucy Gray when she's in the cornucopia. Tigress, Snow. Dean Highbottom's over here. And then this is the arena when it's broken down, but I think this is before when it's not broken down. Let's see, I don't see any broken glass or anything, so I'm assuming this is before it's broken down. And then this is before it gets broken down, the inside of it when they're like half holding hands. Snake when she's back in 12. So those are some of those pictures. ESP. The merch is pretty cool, honestly. Really cool merch. Some of the old stuff. So I'm just gonna be skipping around this. I mean, I did do it in my reaction video too, but still I'm just gonna be skipping. I'm not gonna be watching the whole thing. So yes, let's get on with this. Okay, let's watch this part.
I am honored to introduce to you the creator of the Hunger Games themselves, Dean Casca Highbottom.
I have summoned you all here for the 10th.
Okay, so back up.
I have summoned you all.
Okay, so Dean Casca Highbottom. I was definitely not expecting him to be that short. Maybe it mentions it in the book. I definitely am going to read of the book, and then yeah, but I don't remember him being that small when Lucy Gray is walking up.
2 children from each district to fight to the death in the Hunger.
So in this scene here, you can definitely see that she's standing out. In all the groups, she definitely is standing out, not just because she's on the stage, but her dress is like, it lights up more than the others. It's still dull. It still has the faded colors. And I do like that they're like showing the cameraman to show this is how the capital kids are seeing it. That person.
Games.
From District 12, Lucy.
And then the bow that Katniss Everdeen did.
Gray Bear.
So I do really like this bow. Let's see. What else? Warwick Capital. Okay, so this scene is when he is, or near the end of the book, I'm assuming, when he's shooting everywhere trying to look for Lucy Gray. That's what I think the scene is.
You hear that, boy? It's the sound of snow. Fall.
I love that they included this line. It is a really big part in the book, or not like the biggest, but still really big part. Love that they included this line.
How wonderful that we all get to be here.
Okay, back up.
Wonderful.
So this is when the Covey are on stage and they're singing, and then
That we all get to be here.
I think this is when he sees her for the first time when she gets back from the capital. I think that's when that happens.
For someone's final performance.
It's weird that he said final performance. I mean, I get it, but it's like specifically. It's just interesting. You can sort of see, so this is Tigress. You can sort of see in the background that she's into fashion.
It's not just about winning. Everything.
And then you can see in the background here that where their building is old and broken down, and they have not replaced it because they're not rich anymore. And I feel like this is either before they choose the names and figuring out who each tribute is going to go to, or it's after. I think this is after because they're talking about the games, so I'm assuming this is after.
Is about winning.
The snakes. This is just creepy all over. Really good design characters on her. The rainbow snakes are just creepy though.
You monsters!
I love that they did add this in the trailer. Sejanus is a really good character. I really do like him in the book.
All of you!
And then her evil laugh just shows how evil she is. So when he is, I think, going to 12 for the first time. That's what I think this is taking place. So this part, I feel like, is going to be at the end of the movie when he's gotten back. That's what I think this is. That's what I think that is.
It's the things we love most that destroy us.
I love that they added that line. So that line is taken from when he is talking to Katniss. So I love that they added that line, and it is very true in this book. Okay, so the movie comes out. I'm definitely going to be there. Anyways, so those are just some of my things I've noticed. And yeah, so if you like this video, please comment down below what you thought. Did you notice anything else? Please let me know, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.